My name is Melissa Yeo. I am total blind. I love to visit museums because I like the story and the history behind each arts exhibit. I am now here at the National Gallery, Singapore to experience their new tactile project titled the Whole HOLD collection.
Hey Melissa, welcome back to the gallery. We're at Supreme Court Wing now. Shall we head down the hallway? At your 12 and 1 o'clock, we have two friends who's going to introduce themselves to you.
Hi Melissa, I'm
Hello.
Rico Chan, the founder and CEO of Beyond Vision International, based in Hong Kong.
Right, nice to meet you,
You
Rico.
too.
And you are?
I'm Hisyam, Nasser.
Hello,
I'm a
Hisyam.
manager of the Learning and Outreach team at the National Gallery, Singapore.
Nice to meet you. So Alicia, what about your role in the gallery?
I'm Alicia Teng. I'm the Deputy Director of Community and Access team here at National Gallery, Singapore. So today we are here because we are exploring a new tactile resource that we're developing here at the gallery. So if everyone's okay, let's go.
Let's go.
We're now actually seated in the glass room around a coffee table in front of us. Natural light is coming in from the glass walls all around us. Above us, there are aluminium panels. They are designed with patterns inspired by the atap leaves of old atap houses.
Thanks, Alicia, for inviting me to experience these tactile resources. So, Hisyam, could you share with me a little bit more about this project?
Sure, Melissa. So the resources you'll be engaging with are actually part of the gallery's hands-on learning and development collection, also known as HOLD or Hold collection for short. It features tactile and interactive adaptations of Singapore and Southeast Asian artworks from the gallery's collection. We wanted to develop tactile resources that can be accessed by students and visitors with access requirements, such as the blind and vision impaired, or VI for short, as well as the neurodivergent communities. Maybe Alicia, you'd like to add on?
Sure. As a visual arts institution, we know our visitors may face different barriers when they visit the gallery. The whole collection offers an engaging experience with multi-sensory and hands-on ways to enjoy art. This is where our partner Beyond Vision International comes in. Rico, would you like to tell us a little bit more about the tactile resource?
Sure. We work with the gallery to develop two artworks from their collection into tactile resources. The first is Bosch Brand, an 1849 oil painting by Radam Saleh, adapted into a tactile audio interaction system, TAIS. And second is Treasure Rider, a 1961 oil painting by Lai Feng Moi into a tactile guide booklet. Melissa, do you want to try it out?
Okay.
So Melissa, I'm handing you the tactile booklet. It is A4 sized. And on the first page, we have the tactile color system invented by Beyond Vision International. The booklet has both Braille and written English text.
Different colors correspond to different textures. If you flip to the next page, what can you feel?
I can feel a few objects like a stick and something like a triangle, and I think there are different shapes. There is circles, dot. I think based on your tactile system, is this red?
Yes, the artwork's elements such as the umbrella, trishaw, the rider, and the background are separated into individual pages. VI visitors can gradually build a complete mental image of the artwork as the elements come together into the full composite on the final page.
Oh, this is very interesting. So how did you develop this?
Once we develop the prototypes, we engage in meetings both online and in person to share with the gallery team. We also tested the prototypes with VIs in Hong Kong.
The gallery team also travelled to Hong Kong to observe the sessions. We were at the BVI office observing how BVI team actually engaged with the VI participants as they tried out the prototypes. Back here in Singapore, we also ran our own focus group discussions with local VI participants. And you also participated in a test, remember, Melissa?
Yes, I recall. I can't wait to experience the finalized resources.
Shall we make our way there now?
Okay.
Hi Melissa, Hisyam here. We're currently here in UOB Southeast Asia Gallery 2. So in front of me, I have the TAIS, which is an E3 tactile adaptation of the artwork in front of us.
Okay.
Would you like to explore it?
Yes.
Similar to the tactile booklet, there are different layers in the TAIS. Each layer has a button that will play an audio description when pressed.
In front of us is the Tactile Audio Interaction System panel for Bosch brand, an enormous oil painting on canvas painted in 1849.
So actually the painting there are two bunting, one like this or one like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then there's a tiger.
Yeah.
And the tiger, two tiger.
Yeah. If you combine the layers, are you able to roughly identify where the fire and the animals are in the painting? Could you point them out?
If I put like this, I should more or less like that's the where the smoke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there are birds.
Yeah.
There are eagles.
Yes.
And then bunting, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then bunting again, and then a tiger.
Yeah.
And then there's another tiger
Yeah.
leaping forward.
Yeah.
Right? And then smaller animals and the plants.
Yes.
I just experienced the TAIS and the Tactile Guide booklet, and it's just me now sharing about my reflection. This is something refreshing for me and new for me, allowing me to be able to see the artwork not only through sound but also through touch, to appreciate the artwork much better. I am looking forward to experience more artwork under the HOLD whole collection, because the blind and the VI, they too would like to be part of the cultural experience. I hope the gallery effort could inspire others to create similar inclusive experience for the VI community, so we could enjoy arts like the sighted as well.